Okay, here we are. We're going to do some gold electroplating today, and we're starting with this thing called Electro Clean, and that runs at 5 volts for 30 seconds. So we're about halfway done at 120 degrees. Second, you have Surface Activator, and that runs at room temperature at 5 volts as well. And then we have our gold plating solution, and that runs at 3 volts. And so we hook our anode up to the red, and our cathode is our work. So that's our, you can see the bubbles coming up. That's getting nice and clean. So we're going to get this ready to go here in just a minute. Next, we're going to do the surface activator. And so we have, again, our positive hooked up to the stainless steel anode and our negative hooked up to the silver filled chain. And we're going to do 6 volts DC for 15 seconds at room temperature. So if you come close, you can see the bubbles forming inside the beaker, and that means that it's activating that metal to get it ready to receive that gold plating. So we're just going to keep this in here for 15 seconds. All right, for this last step, we're going to be putting it into the gold plating solution, which is at between 95 and 100 degrees, and it is at that temperature. And we're going to do this at 3 volts. So I have a battery pack connected here, which I kind of did myself, and I've got 3 volts now coming to the anode side, which is the stainless steel, and then I'll have that negative terminal hooked up here. So I'm going to go ahead and dip, and this takes a good bit of time. This takes a total of 2 to 4 minutes, so you might have to check back with us here in a little minute and see how it's done. All right, the time is up, so it's time to see how we did. And would you look at that? We have some real gold plated pieces of jewelry now ready for setting with some gemstones, and I'm pretty happy with how they turned out for the first time. This is actually a customer piece right here, this opal here. I'm pretty pleased, and we have a 2 micrometers of gold that's been deposited on top, and I think that's really going to do exactly what I was hoping for this job. So fun stuff. Should always take care of your chemicals. This is my Electro Cleaner. Put that back. Storage stuff used to be so much cooler back in the old days. Glassware for everything. Now it's all plastic. I still like my glass though. That's the better way to do it.